Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you have an external hard drive or flash drive that says that this device is currently in use. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for disk management. Best result should come back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to right click on your removable or external hard drive and select properties. I don't have an external drive connected at the moment, but if you did, there'd be a policies tab. You would select policies and then you would select better performance enables write caching in Windows, but you must use safely remove hardware notification icon to disconnect the device safely. You would select that. Again, that would be the better performance option underneath the policies tab. And then you would select OK to save the change. And some devices might have a secondary option underneath that to do write caching policy. You want to check mark enable write caching on this device. You want to check mark that and then again select OK. Again, this would all be underneath the policies tab. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.